Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to unbox and review the Cornmi deodorizer plug mount. You may wonder why should you invest in plug-in air purifiers. After all, there are so many other types of air cleaning devices on the market. As their name says it, plug-in air purifiers are devices that function when plugged into a socket. Let's see what inside the box. Inside the box you'll find User Manual. The Cornmi air purifier itself. The Cornmi air purifier are not only cleanses, it disinfects. Double effect purification, 99% air cleaning, compact design with surprising power. This small air purifier helps users combat persistent problems with smell, smoke, mold, germs, viruses and bacteria, really to keep a long-lasting air fresh. It is extremely effective and useful for bedrooms and small offices, instantly upgrades your health, mood, and well-being. The deodorizer uses a concealed plug structure and a stylish LCD digital display panel, which is not only elegant, but also easy to store and use. The air can be refreshed as long as there is a socket, suitable for any style of room decoration. There are 5 modes. 1P, negative ion cycle mode. 2P and 3P, ozone timing mode. 4P and 5P, ozone cycle mode. Ozone and negative ion purification modes are integrated in one small purifier, which not only helps to reduce household odors and absorb dust caused by smokers, cooking fumes, toilets, pets, shoe boxes, but also kills and stops the spread of harmful substances. Let you breathe the forest like fresh air of the forest at home and improve your sleep quality. Thanks for watching.